Now we're going to show you the second method for attaching the Zeitgeist to your handlebars. Method 2 involves using our spacer kit. The spacer kit is sold separately and it comes with 6 3/8 inch foam spacers and 2 9-inch by 1/2 inch Voile straps. To start, we're going to thread our Voile strap through our spacers. You don't have to use all 3. You can experiment with that at home. All right, once we're set up there, we'll go over to the bike and put this on. Very similar to before, we're going to wrap our Voile straps around the handlebars. I like to go underneath all the housing so that we don't crimp any shift cables or impede any hydraulic hoses. We're going to go through the strap. Just go on the easiest setting with the Voile strap to begin with. And then I like to get that pretty nice and snug. Then we're going to go down here again to our toggle. And again, you can see this is set up really high. If you want it to be lower, you can adjust it. I'm going to go around twice because we got some excess and I like having the bag really nice and snug. And that's it.